Welcome to our look back at day 2 of the Big Five, the largest construction exhibition in the Middle East, being held right here in Dubai. The day started with the Global Solar Leaders Summit, an opportunity to hear industry leaders gain insight into the solar market and stay current with the latest tech and trends. It also included awards recognising achievements in sustainability. The talk series continued across every sector, and the strong educational programme of the Big Five Heavy was in evidence as the Dubai RTA hosted their Innovation in BIM Summit in partnership with the BSI. The Big Five is always an excellent showcase for an international and diverse range of innovative products, from 21st century glass, which is clear to opaque at the touch of a button, to the latest HVAC solutions as the market transforms to improve efficiency and its green credentials. The Startup City continued on Tuesday as rising stars and disruptors of the construction tech industry continued to work towards the pitch competition on Wednesday. And don't forget the Big Five app. You'll get alerts to key events, talks and announcements, and it's a great way to plan your visit to the event. And that's it for day 2. In day 3, that's Wednesday here at Dubai, you have the Women in Construction Summit taking place and the awards. To find out about that and all our news and reports across our social media channels and online, of course, at thebig5.ae.